Last night when he was praying, she was sleeping last night too. So we held her hand and held it up. And when she first got her cochlear implants, she did this little certain cry. And so last night, after he got done praying, I kept whispering in her ear, Dawn, Dawn. And she did that same exact cry. So I was like, okay. So this morning, as
She was deaf in both her ears, just so you understand the context of the story.
So then this morning, we were on the way to her audiologist appointment. And I prayed and I was like, we're going to believe God for miracles today. And so we were sitting there and I just said, Dawn, turn around, say you can hear. Say, I can hear. And so she repeated me. But at that time, she actually had her implants on. So we got in the building. She went for her testing, her hearing test, her speech test. So then we went back in the room. We were sitting there. I had a mask on, so she couldn't see me, see words coming out my lips, like read my lips, because they are good at reading lips. So I had my mask on, and I took her implants off, and I said, say you can hear me. And that's when she said, I can hear you. You gotta say it now. You gotta say it now. I can hear.
I can hear.
I can hear.
I can hear.
So tell me this. On Sunday, was it on Sunday you went to the doctor?
Yes.
She had an ear infection that I
Yes.
heard about. Tell us about that.
So she had an ear infection on Sunday, and they also said that her right eardrum was ruptured. After
The doctor said her right eardrum was ruptured.
They took pictures of her inner ear this morning, and they said her inner ear wasn't ruptured on her right side.
On Sunday, the doctor said her eardrum was ruptured, and when they went for a checkup, today was it? They said the eardrum was not ruptured anymore. How do you explain that? But God, what no man can do, Jesus can do.